Welcome to our guide on duo queuing in Valorant Ranked. Today, we'll explore the benefits and strategies to maximize your chances of winning together. Choosing the right roles is essential. Think about how your abilities will synergize. For example, pair a duelist with a support agent for balanced gameplay. Effective communication is key. Use voice chat or in-game pings to convey information quickly. Call out enemy positions and coordinate your strategies. Understanding agent synergies can turn the tide of battle. Combine abilities for powerful combos. Think about how agents can support each other's strengths. Before jumping into a match, set clear goals together. Discuss your win conditions, be it a specific number of rounds or dominating a particular area. Practice makes perfect. Spend time in the practice range together to improve your aim and learn the maps. Coordination in practice leads to success in matches. The meta can shift with patches. Stay updated on agent changes and adapt your picks accordingly to maintain an advantage over opponents. Tilt can ruin your gameplay. If things get frustrating, take a moment to breathe, communicate with your duo, and focus on what you can control. After each session, review your game footage together. Analyze decisions made during rounds, both good and bad, to learn and improve for next time. Duo queuing can be a rewarding experience if approached with the right mindset. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Have fun and good luck in your ranked climb.